Are you looking for the best battery nailer? In this video, we will break down the top 5 battery nailers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Paslode 900,420 Cordless IMCT Framing Nailer. The Paslode cordless framing nailer comes with a unique internal combustion liner engine that allows you to drive 2 to 3 1/4 inch full and clipped head nails consistently all the way. Its internal combustion system is similar to the automobile motor and is responsible for robust performance. This handy 7.3-pound cordless nailer is easy to use and to hold, as this high-performance machine helps you to stop noise and compressor hoses. Its sure grip, along with a soft trigger and a well-balanced build, making it very user-friendly. With the Paslode 900,420, you can fire 1,200 nails in a single fuel cell and 4,000 nails on a full battery charge. Not only does this give you heavy-duty performance, but also its compact, 12-inch front-to-end size allows you to reach anywhere and everywhere. To complete your project, this nailer comes with all the prerequisite accessories such as a 6.0-volt battery, charger, belt hanger, durable plastic carrying case, safety goggles, 5/32 hex wrench, and manual. At number 2. DEWALT DCN 692M1. It has a stellar engine of 20 volts, so it is safe to position your nail on a double timber and bam! It drives through the wood. Despite the power in firing the gun, DEWALT has less recoil, so no need to flex those muscles. It also has a unique dual setting where you can use different lengths of nails, like shooting 3.5 and 3 1/4 into 1/8 and 1/4 inch below the surface of pressure treated wood. It has a bump fire mode where you can switch the setting into successive firing mode. It can be really helpful if you want to finish your work fast, but when you like to position your nails more precisely, then you can switch it off and revert to the setting where you can work closely on precision nailing. It is battery operated, so there will be no fuss on operating the gas cartridges, unlike the other nail guns. You will only have to worry about the level of your charge. Similar to Paslode, it runs on lithium-ion, so technically it has a long battery life. The DEWALT ensures that the brushless nail gun will not suddenly die on you, as it has an integrated indicator light which will warn you if the gun is running on low battery. This is really helpful since it ensures that no job will be interrupted at the middle of the activity. At number 3. Hitachi NR1890DR. If you're after a battery-powered nail gun that offers comparable force to a pneumatic nailer, then this is probably as close as you are going to come. The innovative design and air spring driving system help to ensure consistent power is delivered at speed. If you've got the cash to splash and want a powerful battery-powered nail gun, then this is one of the most powerful battery nailers out there. Its use is a brushless motor which gets more out of the battery from a single charge and will keep this device running for years. Its bump fire mode is particularly fast and maintains consistent power. It is lightweight, making it a good choice for portability, and it saves you money on gas charges and removes the need for an air compressor. The downside of this battery-powered nail gun is that it is right at the top end of the spectrum when it comes to cost. At number 4. Paslode 900-2600 CF325 Li. This is a cordless framing nailer that needs no compressor. It does use a fuel cell that is sold separately. It is a lightweight, easy-to-use framing nailer. Paslode 900-2600 is portable and makes moving around the job site easy, as there are no cords or hoses. It comes with a heavy-duty rafter or belt hook to withstand the job site abuse. With a fully charged battery, this framing nailer will drive 25% more nails than many of the competitors. Comes complete with a lithium-ion battery, a carry case, safety goggles, and also a handy hex wrench. At number 5. Metabo HPT. For professionals, having a versatile nailer is a must. They can't change between different nailers in the job site to serve electrical, framing, demolition, or renovation purposes. Do you agree with me? Then this nailer is probably just the right pick for a professional who is looking for a complete set. It is more versatile than most other available guns in the market, as it shoots nails ranging from 2 inches, 3/2 in size. This toolkit of a nailer gun completes with everything you need. Besides, it is as good and powerful as a pneumatic nailer. You can have all the advantages of a cordless nailer yet without sacrificing the powerful feel of a pneumatic nailer. Apart from its versatility, it is also safer to use. Dry fire lockout and side lock triggers prevent accidental shooting in the job site. With the battery attached, the device weighs around 8 pounds, but the soft grip makes up the overweight. With one charge you can fire up to 400 nails a day, and the gun is as fast as to fire 2 nails in a second. So, to reduce downtime at the job site, this nail gun is a sure buy for every professional.